Each is a charity that provides palliative and end-of-life care for children with life-limiting and life-threatening conditions and bereavement support after the death of the child for the families that are involved.
We came up with lots of different ways in which local organisations and groups could help the appeal. And one of the ways that businesses have become involved is through our NOOK business network, which has seen around 50 companies locally sign up a pledge over a 3 to 5 year appeal. But we've also been inundated with kind offers from gifts in kind and services and products that we could have at cost or even for free, which has been really, really beneficial for the appeal.
We worked with a local company, Snellings, to help deliver the audiovisual products within the building here at Each.
To have the opportunity to work with a local organisation that's really giving back to the community and helping local people, particularly local children, that's just a fantastic opportunity, one we couldn't turn down.
We've got screens in every room and we can video conference much more easily. We've got a site in Cambridge, we've got a site in Ipswich, and actually we come together as an organisation, and it has reduced the cost of travel. In time, we'll also be able to do consultations with families. The nurse consultant and the clinical nurse specialist that we have here will be able to see children on screen and to be able to advise on symptom management and stuff, so it really will make a difference.
We've worked with a number of world-leading brands to supply over 60 products into the project. We believe that's saved the charity well over £30,000 and enabled them to deliver class-leading technology.
Without that support, we really wouldn't have been able to achieve what we've achieved within 5 years. And those companies should be proud of what they've helped us to achieve, because it will be a long-lasting legacy for the children and families of Norfolk.